Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl talking all things AI. If you guys don't know, I'm a total nerd. I used to wear bifocals as a kid. I love learning about tech, innovation, and I love things that make your life easier. Who wants to be spending hours and hours and hours of their day doing things that could be automated, doing things that you don't have to do? You can focus on doing other things that you love, whether that's spending time with your family, whether that's working on growing your actual business, going swimming, eating, whatever you like to do while AI is helping you make money in the back end. And let's face it, we're going through a recession. You have to have multiple streams of income today. And with AI being one of the new revolutionary tools, it's time to take advantage of AI. And before we dive into this amazing video, I want to let you guys know that I created a community on Skool called AI Elevation for you guys to join and learn everything that I've been talking about on YouTube, on Instagram. I'm in that community going over how to use AI to help make your life easier, and I go through it step by step. You can also get on there and ask me questions, and then I also have guests that are experts in business, marketing, solo entrepreneurs, or just how to really grow your brand into something that is going to be able to monetize. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all click that link in the description, join the community, DM me, send me a message when you join. I welcome everyone one by one, and let me know if you have any questions. If you want to take a look into the community, we already have courses there available that you have access to from day one of the free trial. I really want to emphasize that it's not just about money. Happiness, peace, all of that really comes from your mind. It comes from walking with God. And once you walk with God, He will tell you what your purpose is. AI is capable of doing so many things. Like, you can create so many things with AI. It's really just about what are you passionate about? What do you want to use AI for? Make sure you use it for your good. So let's dive into the video. Today I'm going to go over the top AI tools that I love, that I found to use. And if you want a list of these tools, click the link in my description. I go over different tools, tactics, prompts on how to use AI to your advantage. And make sure y'all stick around to the end because I have a tool that is a total game changer. Okay, number one, the first tool we're going to talk about is the OG. Everyone knows about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the OG. Everyone uses it, but they're not using it the right way, okay? Only using it to write captions or do your homework. Trust me, you need to elevate your game with ChatGPT. You're missing out on 90% of its power. And if you're using the free version, you're also missing out on power. Trust me, I've tried the paid version and it is 10 times more useful, but you can still use the free version, of course. I still use the free version. It's great. ChatGPT can really help you create full business automations, side hustles, also sales scripts, funnels, contracts, and even customer support templates. So depending on what your business is, what you do, ask ChatGPT to help you with some of the mundane work. You can also launch a side hustle tomorrow with ChatGPT as your business partner. Ask ChatGPT, say, act like my business partner for such and such business. Chat is also great at consulting, copywriting, content automation, and the real secret is learning how to write better prompts. And the great thing is I included 100 prompts ready for you guys to use for your business, for your brand, right in the description. You want to go ahead and download that. I also included the links to some of my favorite tools for you to input the prompts in. So all you have to do is ready for you to use is copy and paste. Easy enough. The second tool I want to really dive into is Gemini, which is Google's ChatGPT. A lot of people know about Gemini, but they don't know the difference. Like I said, Gemini is Google's ChatGPT. Imagine never having to manually pull up a search or do research. You can talk directly to Gemini and ask it to do something for you. You can ask Gemini to build a presentation, which I've tried this and I love it. Draft up a report for you. Gemini can do it all in seconds, y'all. Like, Gemini works so fast. Entrepreneurs can use it to streamline decision making. Like I said, ask Gemini to be your business partner and help you make the tough decisions and give you facts to back it up. Also, it can help freelancers literally sell AI-powered research into packages. So if you want to utilize AI to make money, like I tell you guys about, turn your followers into dollars, Gemini can help you do that. This tool is really a lifesaver, a game changer, and also a money maker if you use it right. And the next tool I want to go over is Opus. Opus is one of the tools that not a lot of people know about. So if you see me making this YouTube video and then you see also other clips on TikTok or Instagram and they look like the YouTube video, however, they are vertical and not horizontal like a YouTube video, Opus is great for these type of videos. Opus is one of the best tools I've seen that helps turn your content into content that can be used for all platforms. This is the ultimate hack. Opus takes your long videos and makes them into short. If you are a content creator in 2025, you definitely need to be using Opus. Opus is a total game changer, total hack. You can use it for podcasts, webinars, anything. And it automatically slices it up into viral worthy TikTok videos. It tells you if the video is likely to go viral. It also gives you captions and hashtags, which is pretty cool, okay? And back in the day, you used to have to pay editors hundreds of dollars to do this. Trust me, I've done this in the past. When I used to sell swimsuits, I used to have to pay editors hundreds and hundreds of dollars to take the content, make smaller clips, and it was so time consuming. Now Opus does it in minutes, just like that. Now I have a bonus for you. This last tool is an amazing tool. It helps make AI people that look just like real people, and you can use these people to make an announcement for your business, to help market your business, to post, and it's amazing. This tool is called VEO. It is powered by Google. However, it's so powerful. You can just put in a prompt and say, hey, VEO, I want to make a clip of a gym owner talking about how cool my products are. You can say, hey, VEO, I want to make a clip of a person talking about how great God is, and it will make you an 8-second clip. You just have to describe the person, what you want them to look like, and it makes it in seconds. This tool is super cool. If you're a student, you get a free year. If not, they give you a great price, so check it out. So there it is, some of my top AI tools that I love to use, that I love to tell people about. If you want to learn more, join my community where I do a deeper dive, go step by step, answer any questions you guys might have. So my only question is, which one are y'all going to choose first?